Hi friends, it's Miss Jen here. Today I'm going to do a science experiment with you. This might be one that you've done with me in the past, but it's a classic, so I think that'll be okay. We are going to do sandwich bag explosions. So my biggest suggestion is to do this one outside because it can be messy. The things you'll need is baking soda, vinegar, a little sandwich bag, and a paper towel. So what we're gonna do for this one, and I'll do this with you, is the first step is just making your paper towel into a little small square that you can fold some baking soda up in. So it'll just be this little like pellet that you're gonna drop into the bag once the vinegar is in there. So I made mine just like this, just a little piece. And I am gonna put like a spoonful of baking soda in there. So I'm spilling, but that's okay. And you know what? I might even do a tiny bit more than a spoonful, because this is like the big part. So what you're gonna do once it's on that little paper towel is you're gonna just fold it up so that it's a nice little like pocket full of baking soda. So mine's just this little thing, a little fell out, of baking sodas in there. I'm gonna put that aside for just a minute while I put some vinegar in this bag. So all you need for vinegar is like about that much. I can do a little bit more for effect. So that's how much vinegar I have in my bag. And then what I do is, all you have to do is put that little piece of paper towel with the baking soda in it into the bag, zip it up, and then give it a little shake and throw it on the ground. When it explodes, you don't want it in your hand, because if it pops and gets in your face, it can get in your eyes, and then that's really uncomfortable. So what I do to get everything nice and ready is I close the bag just about halfway and just leave a little spot to put that little paper towel in. And then when you're ready, you put it in, zip the bag real quick. So like this. I'm gonna shake it. And hopefully that you could see that. It popped and it exploded right on the ground. It's cool, but it's messy. So definitely do it outside. Bye, friends.